So today's video is about migrating files and users from an Active Directory. So what we're looking at here is our tenant dashboard. I'm logged in as the tenant admin, and you'll notice there's only one user, and I can add a team folder here. But in order to do that, I need to get access to a remotely located server where my Active Directory and my files are stored. So I'm going to jump over there using a virtual machine. Okay, over here on my server agent machine, I have a folder that I've set up. It's a team folder, SA, and that folder has specific permissions applied to it. So if we go into sharing, advanced sharing, we can see that everyone, let's go ahead and remove everyone. We have a user 1 and manager 1. And these are Active Directory users. They both have full permissions. And under security, we have user 1 and manager 1. User 1 full, manager 1 full permissions. But if we go inside the folder, we have one folder called admins where I only want admins to have permission. So we'll go to security. We can see the users have no access. Okay, so that's done. Now what I need to do is I have server agent installed on this machine, which only takes a few minutes. That gave me access to the management console. When I open the management console, I see that folder because it's a share, and I'm going to migrate that. I'm going to use two-way sync. We'll leave the name the same. Hit continue. We'll migrate the users and synchronize the folder. Okay, so that's done. You'll notice I no longer can migrate that folder because it has been migrated. So back over here in the tenant dashboard on a different machine, I can look at my Acme tenant. I can see that I have only one user and I have no team folder. So let's go back to Acme. We'll refresh this. You'll notice now I have manager 1 and user 1 automatically migrated with the team folder. And let's go ahead and test their access. I'll log out. Okay, so manager 1 is logged in, and there's the team folder that I have access to because it was migrated. I'm going to go in there, and I'll go into the admins folder, and let's go ahead and create a file. So I'm able to create files in that folder. Now let's go ahead and log back out, and we'll log in as user 1. User 1 also has access to the team folder, and there's the subfolders. Let's go into admins. I'm not able to access admins because I don't have admin permissions, but I can access other folders, say everyone. And here I want to create a file. And there's the file that I just created. So hope that it gives you a really quick demonstration in less than 5 minutes of what it's like to use a server agent to connect remotely to an Active Directory, import or migrate a Active Directory file server based folder with user permissions already applied, and migrate the users at the same time. So I hope that was helpful. You have a great day. Thank you.